class. How is everyone doing today?
Good.
Today we're going to learn about conversions, okay? So I passed out a sheet. At the top of the sheet is a chart that will help you guys study for your exam in a few weeks. But we're going to start our session today on conversions. So can someone give me examples of where we would see units of measurement? Like, for example, let's say mass. Where would you be using a unit of mass?
When you weigh something.
When you weigh something, right? We would see it when you go to the supermarket, box of cereal. How about length? When would we use length? When you're measuring something, can you be a little bit more specific?
Like, for example, if you were like measuring how long the wood would be.
Okay, very good. Anyone else?
Or like a dress.
Okay, a dress. How about the miles on the highway? How many miles per hour? Time, of course, would be seconds. You know, how long this class would be, or how long would it take from someone to get to point A to point B. So we use measurements all the time, right? And the units that we use here, that we are going to be using in class, are units that help scientists communicate with each other. For example, if you go to Canada and you go to the gas station, okay, they're going to be in order to measure gas, it's going to be in kilos, in kilograms. But if you go to the United States, it's going to be in gallons here in the United States. So it's a way to convert one unit of measurement to another in order for scientists to fully communicate. And that's what we're going to be doing in class. So today we're going to be doing, we're going to start off with meters. Okay, we're going to be converting meters to centimeters. We're going to do a few examples. We're going to use, we're going to do meters, seconds, and kilograms. Okay? So for the first question, can someone tell me, how would you convert, okay, before we do that, can someone tell me how many centimeters is in a meter?
100.
100, right? 100. So we need to know that there are 100. As we go along, we'll use more, 4.15 meters.
How many centimeters?
Yeah. How would we convert 4.15 meters to centimeters?
You multiply it by 100.
Very good. So 100 centimeters would be equal to 1 meter. So when we convert 4.15, we would multiply it by 100 centimeters, divide it by 1 meter, and it would be equal to
the amount of centimeters.
And what would that be?
That's 400 plus
415. Very good. It would be 415 centimeters. So let's do number 2. How many seconds would be in an hour? Like
60? No.
There's 60 seconds in a minute. Yeah. That's right. How many minutes are in an hour? 60. So can someone tell me, how would we go about converting seconds to hours to seconds? Sorry.
You multiply
by 360. Where are you getting that from?
Because in hours to minutes, you have to multiply it by 60. And then hours to seconds, you have to multiply it by 60.
Very good. So how many seconds would be in 2 hours? We would take 2 hours multiplied by 60. 360. Very good. Equals 7,200. And I'm glad you guys are using your mind to mentally do these calculations, which is really good, and that will help you guys a lot on the. Now, class, we will learn a song that will help us remember the units of measurement. Meter is the distance of how far we will go.
A is for ampere, the rate of current flows. Kilograms will tell us of how much something weighs. Seconds will inform us of what time it is. Kelvin lets us know if something's hot or cold. Mole will tell us all about atoms and particles. Candela measures luminous intensity. The system of units for class is all we need. Yeah!